Are you tired of pests ruining your garden? If yes, then you've found the right video. Today, we're exploring the top 5 all-natural pest control methods for a healthy garden. These methods are not just effective, but also eco-friendly. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 all-natural pest control methods that every gardener should know. The first natural pest control method is companion planting. This clever technique involves growing certain plants together that naturally deter pests. For example, pairing tomatoes with basil or cabbage with dill can ward off unwanted insects. So, companion planting not only helps control pests but also promotes biodiversity. Second on our list is making your own homemade sprays. These sprays, concocted from common ingredients like garlic or hot pepper, can efficiently deter pests. They're not only harmless to your plants but also friendly to the environment. Remember, a spray a day keeps the pests away. Our third natural pest control method is using beneficial insects. Certain insects, like ladybugs and spiders, can naturally control the pest population in your garden. By planting specific plants, you can attract these beneficial insects. Think of beneficial insects as your garden's very own pest police. Fourth on our list is the practice of crop rotation. By switching up your plants each season, you disrupt the life cycle of pests, keeping them from becoming an issue. This method also enhances soil health. With crop rotation, your garden is not just pest-free, but also healthier. Last but not least, we have the simple yet effective method of hand picking. This involves physically removing pests from your precious plants. Ideal for larger pests and smaller gardens, it's a direct approach to pest control. Hand picking may be old-fashioned, but it certainly gets the job done. There you have it, the top 5 all-natural pest control methods for a healthy garden. From the cleverness of companion planting, the simplicity of homemade sprays, the wonder of beneficial insects, the strategy of crop rotation, to the old-fashioned method of handpicking. These methods not only control pests, but also contribute to the overall health and sustainability of your garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! Happy!